Hello farmers, my name is Miyanja Abdallah, Vet Officer, Mifugo Farm Limited, in partnership with Menite Farms Limited. Today I'm here to talk about general treatment of goats. Many farmers who undertake a goats project or goats enterprises, we put much emphasis on goats management or goats general treatment. Yet they also need the same care given to those of cattle, piggery, and maybe other livestock animals. Among the general treatment we give to goats is supposed to be done at the start of the month. It is multivitamin. We also supplement our goats, more so here at Mifugo Farm Limited, we supplement our goats with multivitamin to curb down or to increase the appetite to the goats, because along the way within the month so many goats, they find a lot of problems, diseases, so we have always to increase the appetite with the multivitamin. Secondly, we give our goats antibiotics. These antibiotics, more so here we use long acting. They hope to curb down all bacterial diseases that may have come up. So this helps to boost the immunity of animals to fight those diseases, the bacterial diseases that have entered the body. Then the third one, we always give immunity to the goats by giving the anti-trypanosomiasis drugs, Triponil, Diminacel, name it, because there are so many brands on the market. These sachets, the anti-trypanosomiasis sachets, help to build immunity so that these animals or these goats can fight against the trypanosomiasis. In Eastern, we have so many zones of sassafras. So it helps these goats to fight in case these sassafras have bitten them. We also do deworming. The deworming schedule always says 3 months, but you find that 3 months may be too much for the goats. So what we do monthly deworming such that we can break the life cycles of these worms. Then the lastly is always giving our goats mineral blocks. This helps to at least to give the nutrients or the minerals that would be lacking in the feeds we feed to these goats. And we always do weekly spraying. Farmers don't know that also goats suffer from ECF, East Coast fever. But this weekly spraying helps to kill the life cycle of these ticks. These ticks which bring about East Coast fever, anaplasmosis, heart water, which would have been a problem in the course of the month. And on top of that, we do annual vaccination of our goats, whereby we vaccinate them against PPR, Clostridia, Brucella, name them. So with all those activities monthly, it will help us to have a healthy herd, and farmers will not have so many problems with looking after this and also encountering diseases on the way. Thank you so much. That has been what I had to say. Thank you.